Hello and welcome, dear students, to a series of grammar in use. This is the video based on conditional sentences, and this is an overview. In order to understand the conditionals better, kindly refer our previous videos. In this video, we are going to summarize the conditionals that we have learned so far with one additional condition, that is an unlikely and an assumption. You are requested to get a pen and notepad ready so that you can take down the pointers and construct sentences along with us. Let us dive into it. The conditional sentences overview. The zero conditional is used to talk about the situation that will always happen. It is used to talk about general truths. For example, science experiments. If you heat water, it will boil. One example that we have before us is if you play the violin out of tune, it sounds terrible. We can see simple present tense and simple present tense in both the clauses. Then we have the second conditional. It is used to talk about hypothetical situations that are very unlikely to happen but are usually still possible. For example, past simple, if I practiced more, that song would sound better. Would and base form is used in this. In order to understand these conditionals better, you may refer the video that was recorded earlier. The next pointer that we have is the separation of the conditional clause with a comma. You can see when the conditional clause begins with if or when, and it has the condition that is set in, the condition of the action. After that, there is a comma, but if it is reversed, that means the condition is brought towards the end, then the comma is dropped. Let us see. When the action comes before the result, the comma separates the two clauses of the conditional sentence. However, when the result comes first, no comma is used. For example, when we use if or when in the beginning, we have to use a comma. A comma is used to separate the action. When you freeze water, it forms ice forms. And when you bring ice forms in the beginning form of the part of the sentence, you will say ice forms when you freeze water. In this case, no comma is required. The result can come first at the beginning of the sentence. If or when can sit between action or result without a comma. There are four major types of conditional sentences. The zero conditionals, which are definitely always true. Then you have the first conditional, the second conditional, and the third conditional, and all refer to hypothetical conditions. One is likely and the result is likely. One is unlikely, the result is also unlikely. That means, and the third one is you cannot go to the past and change the condition, so the result is unchangeable. The first condition is used to talk about the hypothetical situations that are likely to happen. For example, if I practice really hard, this song will sound great. So simple present is used and will and base form is used over here. This is the likely condition. Then we have the third condition is used to talk about the hypothetical situations that definitely will not happen. The result is no longer possible because of the imaginary cause of the in the past. If I had practiced more, I would have sounded better. In this case, because you have not practiced more, so you do not sound better. Here past perfect is used and would have, and the past participle is used for construction. The next construction that we have is certain common errors are pointed out, common mistakes using other tenses in conditional sentences. Will, would, and would have should not be used in the if clause when forming conditional sentence. If I will work really hard, this piece will sound great. Will does not go in the if clause. So will is incorrect over here. If I would practice more, that piece would sound better. Would does not go with the if clause. If I would have practiced more, I would have sounded better. Would have does not go with the if clause. So I will, I would, and I would have, all three constructions are incorrect or wrong. There is one condition that is an unlikely condition. If I were a butterfly, because it is called an unlikely condition because you would never be a butterfly. If I were a butterfly, I would flitter around carelessly. In this case, you can see it takes would. Another example of the same unlikely condition is, if I were the prime minister of the country, my strategies would have been completely different. In this case also would is used. Now one pointer that is mentioned over here is that you never say if I was a butterfly. You can never use past tense because in the past you were not a butterfly at all. So it is an assumption, an unrealistic assumption. So you have to construct with, if I were a butterfly, if I were to do something, if I were the prime minister. That is how you need to construct these kind of assumptions. Requesting you to pause the video and construct sentences as per the given examples. With this, we have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, requesting you to click on like, share and subscribe. And in case if you did not understand any of the conditionals mentioned in this video, you are requested to refer the previous videos. Those are videos, say video number 30 based on other conditionals, video number 29 based on conditional constructions, that is first construct zero degree conditionals, first conditional, second conditional, and the third conditional. In order to construct conditional sentences, you are requested to practice them by writing, and the focus is on the construction of the sentence conditionals using if and when, and the use of the word modals, until, had, and you also have constructions with where questions are to be formed or had is to be used. There are unlikely conditions, for example, if I were a butterfly, if I were a prime minister. In these cases, it is unlikely that you would ever become a butterfly, so always use were, W-E-R-E. If I were a butterfly, if I were a prime minister. With this, we come to the end of this video. Kindly click on like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for your kind attention.